Are you struggling to stay energized throughout the day? If so, it could be much more than just needing some coffee. You could be suffering from a sleeping disorder. The 5 most common, according to a sleep expert, are insomnia, restless leg syndrome, shift work disorder, narcolepsy, and rapid eye movement behavior disorder. So what are those, and how can you tell if you have it? Well, insomnia is when you're waking up several times a week at 2 or 3 in the morning. You're often tired during the day, and you'll have sudden onsets of depression. Restless leg syndrome happens when you're asleep or you're trying to fall asleep. Your neck will go numb or throb, maybe start twitching. Shift work disorder is when your body doesn't know when to fall asleep throughout the day, and it can cause narcolepsy. That's when your body can instantly fall asleep. Sleep experts say it should take you at least 10 minutes to fall asleep when you lay down. March is National Sleep Awareness Month, and it's no surprise many people have dealt with sleep problems over the past year. The Summit Medical Group is offering some tips to getting a better night's sleep.
Sleep is very important nowadays. We've gone through, as a country, the whole world, in fact, the difficulties of the COVID-19 pandemic in the last year. And that pandemic has put tremendous strain on a lot of people, causing difficulties with work, with stress, etc. And those have, in many cases, spilled over into folks' sleep health. So more people are struggling nowadays with sleep than they did before the pandemic. You know, sleep has implications. Healthy sleep can help us achieve overall better cardiovascular health, better metabolic health, can allow us to maintain a healthier weight. In addition to that, sleep is very important for mental rejuvenation, to keep our mind fresh and healthy. Getting healthy sleep can help people prevent mood disorders and psychological problems. And of course, sleep is very important also for learning, for memory. So there's many, many ways in which healthy sleep can improve our performance and just make us more effective people during the day. Improving one's sleep there is important, and there are a few ways that people can try to do that themselves. I like to break it down by sleep schedule, sleep environment, and then just the concept of allowing your brain to rest and relax. With respect to sleep schedule, you want to try to maintain a regular sleep time and a regular wake time, and that's going to set you up for success. Your sleep environment, you want it to be dark, you want it to be quiet, you want it to be cool, you know, not too cool, but not too hot either. And then in terms of rest and relaxation, you want to give yourself a wind down time before you fall asleep. Allow your brain and your body to segue into sleep. It's very difficult to lay down and immediately fall asleep. And connected to that is you want to try to avoid activities and environments that are overly stimulating. For example, you don't want to be around excessively bright lights. Nowadays, our smartphones are contributing to that problem quite a bit. And you want to avoid things like caffeine and nicotine stimulating chemicals near your bedtime, so that similarly you can allow your brain to relax and segue into sleep.
Ahead of